The Brother LX3817 makes it so easy to bring out your creative abilities, and at an affordable price. Let's get sewing. Choose from 17 different stitches. Four sewing feet to create clothes, costumes, accessories, crafts, home decor, and so much more. Zigzag foot for everyday sewing. Add a buttonhole, buttons, or a zipper to your project. Sew cuffs and sleeves with the free arm, and setting up is a breeze. There's everything you need to get started. Just add fabric and thread and let your imagination run wild. All so fun, all so easy, all so affordable.